only $1 per week, anyone on this planet can access solar energy. Let me tell you how. So please meet Naomi. She's a 10-year-old girl who lives in a rural village in Kenya. Naomi's family does not have access to grid electricity, so every night they must rely on burning dim, dirty, and expensive kerosene for light. Naomi's like 1.2 billion other off-grid individuals in this world who also do not have access to grid electricity. And every year, that population burns over $30 billion to spend on fuel-based lighting sources like kerosene. This is the 21st century. Why do over 1 billion people in the world still rely on burning a toxic lighting source from the 1800s? The technology exists to solve this problem. Solar panel, LED lights, rechargeable batteries can all be combined into products that would mean the end of kerosene once and for all. But for off-grid homes like Naomi's, there's a barrier to accessing these solar products. And that's the barrier of upfront cost. A typical off-grid family will simply never have enough cash in hand at one time to be able to buy a solar product outright. But if you can spread out the cost of a product over time such that each week of solar payment is less than what that family would have spent on kerosene, then you can unlock the purchasing power of 1 billion people. And that's what Angaza does. We make a technology platform that makes life-changing products like solar home systems affordable to anyone through pay-as-you-go pricing. This means that off-grid homes and off-grid businesses can pay less than $1 a week to access clean, reliable solar lighting and charging. So how do we do this? First, we embed a metering technology into a solar home system. When a customer prepays for energy, that product is activated. Once payment runs out, the product automatically deactivates to ensure that the customer pays again. We also provide software to distributors to help them scale their fast-growing pay-as-you-go operations, to digitize customer information, track payments in real time, and visualize data, like this installation map that you see here. Distributors now have the tools, the data, and the confidence to extend solar financing to anyone, anywhere. By removing that upfront cost barrier, we have quadrupled the rate of solar connections. We've now helped over 1 million people make the switch from kerosene to solar. And imagine for a moment a world without kerosene. It means that families are saving money and earning extra income. It means that children are able to read and study at night. It means that we're diverting tons of carbon from the atmosphere. And most importantly, it means that opportunity is now the reality for those 1.2 billion off-grid families. So we've impacted 1 million people, and how do we get to 1 billion after this? We believe that the key to scale is data. By analyzing customer demographic information, repayment behavior, and product usage patterns, we can help distributors manage their financial risk. We can help unbanked consumers build credit histories, and we can help companies manage effective customer service programs. And the truth is that the upfront cost barrier doesn't just apply to solar lighting products, but a whole host of other life-changing products. Distributors now use our platform to offer pay-as-you-go pricing for solar water pumps and clean cook stoves and appliances. Remember Naomi, who I introduced you to? That's her home on the left. It's completely powered by the sun now. And unlike many young girls in Kenya, Naomi moved on to secondary school, and she's excelling in her studies. Naomi is the world's future, and Angaza is energized to be a part of that. Thank you.